Hello, it's Stephen C. Campbell. Welcome to the Complete Digital Search Engine, Social Media and Facebook Marketing Consultative Training Program. The program has been designed for marketers, business owners and other professionals wishing to expand their digital marketing footprint. We go through the fundamentals of digital marketing in order to dispel any confusion. We then move on to deal with channel marketing and then connecting digital marketing activities to top-level business development plans. As content is the very reason why we visit the internet in the first place, developing a content plan for maximum impact is dealt with. Next, we move on to building the organization's brand, identifying and generating leads, and carefully guiding them through the digital marketing funnel, culminating in new as well as repeat customers, in addition to those precious referrals. It's the complete digital search engine, social media, and Facebook marketing consultative training program. I look very much forward to being of service to you. See you on the inside.